Hi everybody, today we're trying something different. We're gonna cook a turkey in the ground, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thank you so much for joining us today. You know, we are up here in the beautiful Uinta Mountains. We have a gorgeous fall morning, and we are going to try an experiment. Now, this is an experiment for us because we have never done this, but we thought, you know, with Thanksgiving just around the corner, John and I thought it would be fun to try a couple different ways to cook a turkey. So today we're cooking a turkey in the ground. It's going to be so much fun. So if we haven't met yet, welcome, welcome, and thanks for joining us. You know, our channel, Let's Go Now Adventures, is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So let me just kind of walk through this process with you so you know how we're going to do this. So what we did is we started last night, and John dug about a 2-foot hole just behind me. And then he got all the wood chopped so this morning we could start this process. It's about 9 in the morning. It's a beautiful fall crisp morning. It's a lot cooler up here in the mountains, but oh my goodness, hopefully this turkey is going to be a delicious dinner. So John's built up the fire, and we're just going to let the fire kind of burn down. We are going to need a lot of coals for this. So we're going to use a combination of charcoal and the coals from the fire to fill up our hole. What we'll do is I'm going to go grab the turkey. We're going to get it all buttered up with salt and pepper. Then we're going to take it over to the grate on the fire and put kind of a nice sear on the outside of the turkey. That will help to hold some of that moisture in as it cooks. Once we do that, we'll get it in the pan and in the hole. Then we're going to cover the turkey completely. Now I mean completely up with the combination of charcoal and coals from the fire. So to help monitor as the turkey cooks, we have brought up our digital electronic meat thermometer. So we can stick that in and kind of watch and gauge as the turkey's cooking. And we're thinking it's going to be about 8 hours, but hey, this is going to take a lot of the guesswork out by having that thermometer in there. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. Glad to have you here. Thank you for joining us. Here we go. Okay, let's get this turkey ready for the fire. That table wiped off good. When you're camping, it seems like everything gets dirty. Do you know what I mean? Okay, let's take Mr. Turkey out. Now I am using, about an 18-pound turkey. And I just want to thank Diane, my good friend, who brought me over her turkey. I didn't realize that in September you can't buy a turkey yet at the grocery store. At least the grocery store's out here. So she saved me because she had a turkey in her freezer. We're gonna get this guy all buttered up. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious. I also wanted to thank Dave and Nora Thorpe. So they were the ones that gave me this idea. She says she does it all the time when she has, you know, family reunions and girls camp. So anyway, thank you for the idea. I'm so excited to try this. You know, we're all about trying new and fun and different things. Okay, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper. We'll get this seared over on the grate over there, and then I think we'll add some more butter before we actually pop it down in the pan. Okay, he's looking good. What do you guys think? Okay, so we've got it just nicely kind of seared all around. I'm just going to add a little bit more butter. Melts nicely now that it's hot. We are going to add some celery, a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, and then a little bit of stuffing down this little Mr. Turkey Tom. And I've got celery going everywhere. So how are you guys doing today? Are you having a fabulous day? You know, it's such a beautiful fall day up here in the Uinta Mountains. It's just gorgeous. I'm hoping we can extend our camping season and it doesn't snow too early. Let's add a stick of butter down in this guy. Ooh, that's gonna be yummy. Okay, So John is going to stick our digital electronic meat thermometer in the thickest part of the breast. That's really going to help us monitor how well this turkey is cooking. And then on goes the lid. Ooh, it fits perfectly. Alrighty, let's go cook. So it has only been 2.5 hours. You know, we were anticipating maybe 7 or 8, and that meat thermometer told us exactly where we were. So much faster than we anticipated. So basically, you know, a lot of people that we had talked to were just using coals that they had from wood from a fire. Well, we ended up using a lot of charcoal. And so I'm thinking that maybe the charcoal either lasted longer or burned faster or burned hotter, because we are significantly at a lot less time than either of us had anticipated. So anyway, let's just see what happens. On just one quick note, all my recipes are super simple and easy. This definitely took a lot of time. The time to dig the hole, to make the firewood, to prep the turkey. But so if you're gonna try this, just remember it's kind of all about the experience. Now let me say, this was fun. Definitely something that we had never tried. So kind of think of it more, if you're going to do this, it's more about the experience, because there is a lot of prep work. So let's take a look and see what we have. I'm trying to be careful because I don't want any of that charcoal to fall in. Oh, look at that leg. I dubs the leg. I never knew the result would be this golden delicious. So wow, what a fun experiment. Who would have known it would have turned out so amazing? I can't wait to bite into it. Let's take a look. You know, that leg is just kind of speaking to me right now. Ooh, it's juicy too. I'm so excited. So let's take a taste. Oh my goodness, it looks so delicious. It's super juicy. And I was worried about that because it cooks so fast, but that is delicious. So what a fun video. Thank you so much for joining us. Hey, if you got some value out of this video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. You know, if you've tried this before, leave it down in the comments. We would love to hear how your experience went. So thank you for joining us, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.